followed by the flag of the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, which will be handed over to the Commissioner and Secretary, Sports and Youth Affairs, Dr. Vijay Kumar IAS.
Dear friends, I take this opportunity to once again thank each and every one of you, and at the same time I would like to declare the second Northeast Olympics 2022 as closed. Thank you.
Kajala Megalea Mendagasni, Kakanda Trek Unaiwing, Galapan Hapardano, Yakalimpung Yelaka, Jonka second Northeast Olympic Games Arajar Arpuar, Hakarukom Kaba Ipo Iping, Kabalalong Hasai Training Center, Kimentri Sorkar, Kihe Opsar, Kihe Kihan, Kiblaidan Kalem Hakani Kasni, Kilong Okonat Kisama, Menteri Rang Bak Kajala Komukongsan, Bak Bantaido Lingdo, Menteri Sorkar, Bak Renekton Lingdo Tongkar, Bak Donald P. Walang Chief Secretary Kajala, Commissioner and Secretary Jonka Sports but Youth Affairs, U Vijay Kumar, U Director General of Police, U L. Ram Bishnoi, U Secretary General Jonka Northeast Olympic Association, U Bak John F. Khachiang Lembat Kiwe.
I'm the one, not the sea. I'm the master of my CEO. The master of my CEO. Look, I was colder than all of the ice age. If you have my heart out, you feel like escape. The thing ate me up like it's last stage. Still I pick my pen in and I feel the page. And I dug up my pain out without a spade. And I'm feeling the void with the happy space. That's the time I felt that I am not afraid. A dragon with fire, I spit a blaze. Hey, you made me up, you made me a believer. Believer. Hey, you make me down, you build me up, believer. Believer. Hey, let the bullets fly and let them rain. My life, my love, my drive, it came from. Hey, make me up, you made me a believer. Believer.
Nothing's this anywhere to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard, change your spirit to a dove. Ooh, your spirit up above.
Felt the lost motion in my balls. Turn around at 180 just like an owl. The predator hunting me out on the prowl. The fear kept popping on me unannounced. I try to go breaking free from the shroud, but it's weighing deep, weighing me, biting me, ducking me, pulling me, stuck to the ground. I'm stuck to the ground.
Hey, baby, you made me a believer. Believer. Hey, you break me down and build me a believer. Believer. Hey, you let the bullets fly away from your rain. My love, my life, my drive, it came from. Hey, you build me up and build me to believer. Believer.
Last things last by the grace of the fire and the flames. You're the time, come on, Northeast. The blood in my veins, oh.
Are you ready to join with us?
In my veins, oh.
Y'all know the lines.
But they never did ever live, ebbing and flowing and hit me the limited till it broke up and it rained down. It rained down. Baby, you made me a believer. Believer. Hey, bring me down, you blow me up, believer. Believer. Hey, let the bullets fly and let them rain. I'm only one, but not alone. My finest day is yet unknown. I broke my heart, fought every game to taste the sweet. I'll face the pain, I rise and fall, yet through it all, this much remains. I want one moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be, when all of my dreams are a heartbeat away and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time
when I'm racing with destiny. Then in that one moment of time, I will feel eternity. I've lived to be the very best. I want it all, no time for less. I've laid the plans, now lay the chance here in my hands. Give me one moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be, when all of my dreams are a heartbeat away, and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with destiny. Then in that one moment of time, I will feel eternity. Oh, you're a winner for a lifetime if you seize that one moment in time. Make it shine. Give me one moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be, when all of my dreams are a heartbeat away, and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time.
Let's go.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, your big disgrace,
Right.
kicking your can all over the street,
Everyone.
singing, we will rock you.
One more time.
We will rock you.
Yeah.
Everybody sing.
Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shouting in the street, gonna take on the world someday. Got blood on your face, big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place, singing,
We will rock
Sing,
you.
sing, sing.
We will rock you. Wanna see your hands raised up?
I'm rocking all the way and I make the radio slaying. I rock it like I'm Snow White, so watch me burn the stage. I am the rock from crystallized by the pressure made, expelling out the energy, vicinities alleviate. We here to rock your tremors that make the earth shake. Northeast Olympics getting lit, temperatures getting raised. United all is one, valleys that hills the plains, together as they sisters, daughters of India the Great.
Buddy, you're an old man, poor man, feeding with your eyes, gonna make you some peace someday. You got mud on your face,
Right.
big disgrace.
Right.
Somebody better put your back
Okay,
into
one
your
more time.
place.
We will rock you.
We don't need to baby.
We will rock you.
Oh, let me hear you say. Reach your hands, breathe it out, reach your hands, breathe it out.
We will rock you.
Wanna see your hands raised up in the air, yeah, come on. Yeah, that's how I like it.
and down, waited till my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69. The some guys from school had a band and we tried real hard. Jimmy quit, Jody got married. We should've known we'd never get far. Oh, when I look back now, the summer seemed to last forever. And if I had...
Alright guys, can we hear those beautiful voices? Come on!
Those were the best days of my life.
Gratitude to each and every one of you for your untiring efforts in making the Northeast Olympic Games 2022 a grand success. However, like I said before, the night is still young.